Hi guys! Right now we will see performing art celebrate Islamic New Year in Maninjau. Come join with me. Let's go.
The people of Maninjau celebrate the Islamic New Year with the various competition, torch parade, and art performance. This event also support of Maninjau's specialty. The event begin with the pasar dance and followed by silat, singing, and various traditional dances. This event is followed by kids to teenager. 5 sub-villages participate in this event, namely Jasang, Pasar Maninjau, Kubu Baru, Kokoban, and Banca. The event was very lively, with enthusiasm of people around. The celebration ends with tambua performance by the 5 participation of each genre.
See you in the next event and bye bye!